This exercise is called the counter stretch. It is a kind of a beginning hamstring and back extension maneuver. So in this case, I'm going to use a stick. In our facility, we do a lot of stick training. It's a great natural movement tool. In this case, I hope that you guys can use your imagination. Pretend that this stick is a wall or a bar counter. So I'll put my hands on top of it, right? Or I would put it against it if it was a wall and all I could find was a wall. And here we've got mirrors all over the place, so I don't want to push on there. We'll just find a sturdy downward object, a broomstick, okay? In this case, the counter stretch. I'm going to put my hands on top of the counter or against the wall, okay? And I'm going to make sure my arm's length out, and I'll line my feet straight away. You see my stick is out there, and I'll pull my hips back. Now my objective is to keep my legs as straight as possible. So I've pre-locked my knees, I've got my weight in my heels, and I'm going to take my tailbone back away from the wall. Okay, now in this case I have a stick, so you can see I can push and move the stick. But if you imagine a countertop, you'd be stuck there. We hold this and we drop the head between the elbows as the tail goes back. And hopefully, if we're any good, we've got a straight line from the tip of the spine through the top of the head, even the fingertips, and a straight line from the heels right through the tailbone as well. So we've got this deep counter stretch, and then what we're going to do is we're going to squeeze the hips forward to drive out of the counter stretch.